the class of 2026, don't let the fear of making a decision stop you from making a decision at all. We didn't have perfect paths. We had real ones, messy ones, growing ones, but we kept showing up anyways. And look at us now, we made it. Thank you and congratulations to the class of 2026.